Inside the tree trunk, there's a mechanism that goes up into the leafy portion of the tree, which allows the swing to move. In this particular example that I show in the video here, it was greased with a white grease that dried up and made the entire mechanism seize up. So you might have to remove that if you have that particular problem. The tree trunk is available as of 2025. I don't know if it has all the mechanism. I would hope it would, but you're best off talk to Lionel about that. If you're going to try to remove the caked on grease that might be there, it's like a white lithium grease maybe, you want to use some sort of plastic safe degreaser. For all the parts in there, pretty much soft plastic. In a different copy of the tire swing, I had the PCB board go bad, which is not available. I wound up just advising the owner to convert the whole power supply to the tree over to DC, as a pancake DC can motor in it, and just bypass the entire board here. In this particular case, you can see that the resistor was overheated and flaked off, and the capacitor was desoldered. I was going to use it on another project, so this became a donor board. If your skills are pretty good with electronics, you might be able to figure out what exactly is wrong. These parts aren't that expensive and they're readily common, but the boards are no longer available from Lionel.